Hello, welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to explain and write step by step how to add the squares of the binomials 6x plus 4 and 5y plus 1. First, I'm going to expand each binomial by applying the formula for binomial square a plus b in parentheses squared equals to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. In the first binomial, 6x plus 4, the term 6x corresponds to the a in the formula, and the number 4 corresponds to the b in the formula. In the second binomial, 5y plus 1, the term 5y corresponds to the a in the formula, and the number 1 corresponds to the b in the formula. Therefore, when I apply the formula, I get 6x in parentheses squared plus 2 times 6x multiplied by 4 plus 4 squared plus 5y in parentheses squared plus 2 times 5y multiplied by 1 plus 1 squared. Next, I need to apply the rules of exponents for power of a product with two factors. A multiplied by b in parentheses to the power of n equals to a to the power of n multiplied by b to the power of n. Respectively, 6x squared is 6 squared x squared, or 36x squared plus, we need to multiply the numerical parts in this term. 12 times 4 is 48x plus 4 squared is 16 plus 5 squared y squared is 25y squared plus 2 times 5 times 1 is 10y plus 1. As a next step, I need to add all like or similar terms. Like or similar terms are those that have the same literal parts or are numbers. In our exercise here, 16 and 1 are the only terms that are similar. The rest do not have same literal parts, therefore they're not like terms and we can't add them. So I'm just going to rewrite them and get 36x squared plus 48x plus 25y squared plus 10y. And then I need to add 16 and 1 and I get 17. I can't simplify this further, therefore this is the final answer for this exercise. Thank you for watching and learning. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on the videos displayed on the screen or subscribe to my channel to see more detailed math solutions.